The sun has got his hat on, hip 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 hooray, the sun has got his hat on and I'm coming out to play. Well, boys and girls, what a week it's been. We're going to update the small account and I'm going to show you and tell you about leverage. And a warm welcome to one and all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to update the BlackBull and I'm going to change it somewhat, and I'll explain why I'm changing it as I go through it. It's really to do with leverage and stopping me putting on a bigger position size. That's the general gist of the update. Now, when I do a coffee with Scruff like this, it's really just my thoughts from the week prior, and I can hear her kicking about. See that? I've got ears like a bat. I really have.
Oh, you can answer the door next time.
I can answer the door next time. What you walking about with no clothes on for?
I am. I've just done my hair. I'm going to get ready and go and pick the boys up.
Is that right?
Yeah.
You have caused confusion and delay, and terrible trouble to my trousers.
Oh. Got grandkids today. It's going to be wonderful, isn't it?
Oh, shut up. You got football tomorrow as well.
Have I? Oh, brilliant.
Early morning.
Even better.
Bright and crisp.
Well, there's two words to that and one of them's off. No, it's fine. Is there a burger van there?
Oh, I think so.
Ah, balls. All right. Football tomorrow.
Coffee shop open.
Coffee shop. Well, that's all right. Why? Because we all know Scruffy likes a coffee.
It's coffee time! Coffee, 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 coffee! Cappuccino! Java, yes!
Never mind. Anyway, coffee with Scruff. What I'm doing here is, today's is quite an odd one. Normally I'd walk about the house and give my thoughts on the world, but because it's the last day of the month, I kind of want to show you what I'm doing with a small account and how small accounts can build up into better accounts. Now, when it comes to doing this, I treat it the same as any part of it. I fully endorse it as a job. And even though the money values are small, they build up, and you'll see that. And if you saw my recent Vanguard update, it hit £100,000. Now it's stepped back because interest rates have, but once I put a bit more money in it, it'll secure itself well and above that all the time. Now what I'm doing with it at the moment, I'm changing it round a little bit. I'm going to have singular pot, and I'm going to start building that singular pot up so you can see a pot being built inside the big pot as well. So that's something to keep an eye on in the future. Now when it comes to trading, if you keep it as a job, it'll pay you as a job.
Isn't that logical?
And let's have a little look at this. So what I'm going to do is I'm using this one here, which is BlackBull Hedge account. There's two versions of it, and I'm going to be changing the account, which is why I'm showing you that bit, because I'm going to drop the leverage down. This is a high leverage hedge account. Now you can't have netting accounts and one thing and another on MT5, but the high leverage is a problem. And that's one of the essences of this. Now its current balance is 943.25. Now I have increased that this morning by trading a little bit of Bitcoin, which is here, 20 quid. And you think, well, that's not a lot. But if you think some people are happy with 200 quid a week, well, let me just show you something. So if we go back, say, the last week or so, here's all the trades that I took over the course of the last week. But clock this side. The volumes are very small. They're like 10p's and 20p's. And it balances up, balances up. Yes, there is red marks in it. I don't get it right all the time. And it comes down. And there you go. 212.66. I think a lot of people would be quite happy with that. You know. And if you're not going to work, you're not driving a car or anything like that, well, that's a decent amount. It's 200 a week, you know, 800 a month. Do it for 10 months, that's 8 grand a year. it's not bad. It's not bad at all. Well, I don't think it's bad. I mean, obviously some other people might like that. But anyway, what we're looking at is here. So keep an eye on that figure there, which is 943.25. What I like to do is I do what's called profit splitting. Now let me just flick this over and I'll explain that to you. Now this is the account that it was building on. I've had a phenomenal month this month, by the way, guys. We started this as a Christmas fund in September, and the idea was to get it to, I wanted it to have a balance of 700 quid, which would basically be 500 quid for gifts and the 200 quid I started with. Now I put in little bits and pieces on, and the next month we started, got to the 250, so I drew everything down and then made it sort of 250, which is here. So I took 38 quid out, balanced it there. Then I wanted a baseline of 300. The baseline is what you start the month with in your account, and try and hold the trades longer with a view to eventually reduce the leverage, which is what we're up to right now. Took some more money out, and then this month we've had a phenomenal month because we've got the account built up that we can put bigger position sizes in, which means bigger money and better profits. And once it's over 400, move the leverage down. So that was my plan over the course of the last 3 months. Well, we're at 1,045, so I've well exceeded the target. This challenge is now finished. I don't need to do anything in December, and we're going to restart it in January because I'm toying with having December off. And we're going to build up another pot to pay for Benidorm because we're doing Benidorm 25. So, well, let's have a look at this month. So here it is. So if I'm taking a profit share out of it, I did 206 trades, 92% hit rate. It's all documented, did it for the guys. And it's all there. And everything that you see is in here, okay? So 318.46 is my profit share. So what I'm going to do is I'll go to BlackBull. I'm just going to move that sheet out the way just so that I can refer to it again in a moment, and we can see there's my wallets. Don't really have anything in. Got my US wallet and my GB wallet, and drop my US accounts into here, my pound accounts into here. You saw me clear this down and pay it into the Vanguard on the last update. So if I come to here and I go to the trading Christmas account, which is here, what we're going to do is we're going to take that money out and we're going to put it in the wallet. Okay, so if you go to the wallet and we go to internal transfer, we're going to transfer it from, let's have a look, where are we at? So new source, wallet, hold on, would help if I put this on here, transfer funds, there we go. Sorry, I was on the wrong side. And then transfer into the wallet, rather, which is there. Forget my edit times. So we're going to be transferring out of this, and we're going to be taking 318.46, and we're going to dump it in the wallet. Okay, proceed. So that should be done. And then if I go back to the wallet, there it is there. So that wallet now has 320.36 in it.
Good job.
And I can withdraw. So I just go click withdraw, and then you just select what it is you want to do. So you go on to your bank, and then you just click that, and it withdraws down into the bank that you've set up. Dead simple. So that's my withdrawal done. Now if I go back to that BlackBull account, there it is. The money's been taken out. If I go to history, there it is there. So it's transferred into the wallet. So that's me cashing my funds out. And now I'll take them funds and I'll put them into my Vanguard, or I'll spend it, do whatever it is that I want to do with it. So what's the moral of the story? Well, the moral of the story is that small account built up into something substantial. But now what I want to do is change it. Because it's 500 to 1 leverage, it means that as the account gets bigger, that leverage can become a problem. because if I start putting on bigger position sizes, just because I can, I have a danger of blowing that account. So how do you combat that? Well, we'll come back to this. We'll get rid of that. We don't need that no more. Go back to trading accounts. We're going to make a new account, MT5. Give it a nickname, and we'll call it Benny. Account type, well, I just want a standard account. Quite like that. Okay. Password, I'll put that in a minute. I want it in pounds, but this is the bit I'm going to change. I'm going to drop it down to 400. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I'll just pause the camera while I put in a couple of passwords. Okay, so that's now done, and it's created a new account that called Benny, and standard, but it has less leverage. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to take all of this out and put it back in the wallet. Okay, so we're going to transfer those funds, and we're going to drop it into Scruffy, and we're going to transfer the lot 624.79. Okay, which is there. Proceed. Just like so. And then I'm going to fund this as fresh. Or I'll rephrase that. I'm going to do an internal transfer. So it's going to go from Scruffy. And we're going to put it into the trading account. Okay. So let me just flick that back over so we can see the wallets. Come on, show me the wallets. It's conked out. Give us a sec.
Well, we're waiting.
So we're going to source here. Yep. Computer's conked out. Right, internet's back on. That was a bugger. Having the roads dug up, which is a nightmare. Anyway, right, where were we? So we got our funds in the Scruffy wallet. What we're going to do now is an internal transfer, which is here. So we're going to go from there, but I'm going to fund the Benny account. So in a live account, we're going to do the Benny, and I'm going to put 600 of it in there. So I'm going to start it with like a round figure, if you like. Okay. And then transfer that over into here. Okay, so that's done. And then if I pop up here, that should be 0, and that will be 600. And then all I need to do now is log into my existing account, which is this one. Bear with me just a second. What I'm going to do is log into that. So the way you log into it is you just change it over, because that would be now 0. Put my new password in, and it should be there. It is there. And then that pulls down. There's the new one with the 600 quid in, and there you go, the transfer. So what we've done there is we've effectively had a small account, we've built it up into something meaningful, and now we start again with a low leverage. Now that low leverage will stop me from oversizing my account. Very, very sensible thing to do. And I can't stress enough how much keeping your leverage down helps, because there's a big debate about the prop industry about, oh, the leverage is too small. It's not. The leverage is actually massive in the prop account, because you're working off a drawdown, not the actual account itself. So that was an update for Coffee with Scruff. The account has done incredibly well. We restarting it. In fact, I'll probably just take 400 quid out of that and restart with 200, the same as the guys, but I'll put it to them in the group, and if that's what they want to do, brilliant. I'll do the journey with them. And if not, might just build that up to 1,000 again and have another 400 quid. Who knows? Do you want to go on a holiday with another 400 quid?
Yep.
Get a lodge for 400 quid. We can do that. You can go on a little cruise for 2-night cruise. Nice dinner for 200 or 300 quid. Why not? So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.